Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to properly vacuum a carrier inverter air conditioner using R32 refrigerant. This process is crucial to remove air and moisture from the system, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. First, attach one hose from the vacuum pump to the AC unit and the other hose to the service port. Make sure all connections are tight to prevent any leaks. Now turn on the vacuum pump. Let it run for about 30 minutes. It's especially important for AC units with R32 gas to be properly vacuumed, as any remaining air or moisture can reduce efficiency and damage the system. After 30 minutes, close the pressure gauges and turn off the vacuum pump. Next, open the refrigerant valve slightly to let a small amount of gas into the system. Leave the system under pressure for about 10 minutes to check for any leaks. Once you are sure there are no leaks, open the refrigerant valves completely. The AC system is now ready for normal operation. And that's it. Proper vacuuming and careful gas handling for R32 AC units help prevent system damage and ensure efficient cooling. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AC tips.